power of the sun in the palm of my hand.
That's right. We got the power of the sun in the palm of our hands. And you pick up this limited edition Spider-Man 2 PS5 controller. Let me tell you, this is a sick controller. I got some minor things that aren't my favorite. I think the big thing about this controller is cosmetic. This is one of the most aesthetically pleasing PS5 controllers you can buy on the market today. Plus, it's not that nasty white. You know, I'm as you guys can see, setup is all black in here. Like, now I do have, you can see grease markings on there, and I haven't even eaten anything greasy. But yeah. The venomized section doesn't really have too much of a raised material. It does a little bit right there, and I like that. I think this controller is definitely one of the best. These sticks have a different texture to them than the original PlayStation controllers that came out with the console. The sticks do have a little bit more of a harder texture on the edge, which is good. It gives you some good grip. But this controller overall, I think it is worth the money. If you're looking for a new PS5 controller, definitely pick this one up. I'm going to go into a little bit of a gameplay because I'm super excited for this game that's coming out soon. My only gripe with that controller is it's $5 more, which is a minor price for a limited edition. So there aren't many of these out there. I luckily walked into the GameStop, my local GameStop, and there was one chilling there, so I bought it. And I think it's $80 instead of the $75 that a normal controller is. But I am overly excited for this game, and I am ready for this. So let's check out some Miles Morales gameplay just to kind of give you guys an idea what could be happening in this next video game. One thing I would like PlayStation to start doing is upping their unboxing game. Like, I feel like when you unlock a PlayStation 5, you unbox a controller, it's like really cheap contents in there. It just feels way different when you open an Xbox console and a controller as well. I'm not saying that the controller has all this packaging that's super crazy, but it just feels a little bit more high end. Paying $70, $80 for these controllers, man. I hope that they get a little bit more into there instead of just cardboard and plastic wrap everywhere. Not really plastic wrap, but like foam wrap, whatever that is.